and welcome to your Harvest of the Month citrus delivery, brought to you today by CLA. We run farmers markets across Los Angeles. Today we're going to be talking about these Caracara oranges. Did you know that after chocolate and vanilla, orange is the world's favorite flavor? On a healthy nutrition note, a half a cup of oranges provides an excellent source of vitamin C to boost your immune system. It also contains thiamine, an essential nutrient that helps bring the nutrients in the rest of your food into your body to absorb well. Here is a quick and healthy, but most importantly, delicious recipe to make a citrus berry freeze. Take 2 oranges, peeled, throw them in the blender with 2 cups of frozen strawberries, blend away, and you'll have a delicious frozen smoothie. You can even put it in your freezer and turn it into more like an ice cream or a sorbet to have whenever you want. We hope you enjoyed your delivery of citrus brought to you today from California local farmers at Fresh Fruit Farms. I hope you enjoyed this week's fun tips and quick delicious recipe suggestions. I'll see you for next week's harvest delivery. Until then, enjoy your Caracara oranges, and I hope to see you at the farmers market soon.